Hi kids, how are you? I hope you are all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, we should do warm exercise. Be ready, student? Everyone sit in a place. Sit in a place. Close your eyes. Backbone straight now. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap, children. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Okay? Sit in a place, ma. Children, take out your workbooks, ma. Take out your workbooks. See, 13th one. Sorry. Multiple choice question, remembering and understanding. 4th one. 3 rupees is equal to dash paise. 3 rupees is equal to dash paise. How many paise? Already told you. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Yes. Now what you have to do? 3 rupees into 100 paisa. 300 paise. C. Option C. Next. 15 rupees is equal to dash paise. 15 rupees into 100. See? 100 into 15 rupees. 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. Next, tens place. 1 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1. 0, 0, 5, 1. 1500. Yes, 1500. Where it is? Option B. Next, 6th one. 200 paisa is equal to dash rupees. How many rupees? 200. 200 paisa is equal to how many rupees? What you have to do? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. 200 paisa is equal to 2 rupees. Yes or no? Where it is? Option B. Understood? You should divide. S divided by 2 only. Next, 6 into 100 paisa is equal to dash rupees. 6 into 100 paisa. How many rupees? 6 rupees. Yes or no? Next, 8th one. Conversion of paisa into rupees is the reverse process of conversion of rupees into paisa. See, paisa into rupees, rupees into paisa. Both are same. Yes or no? 9th one. 8 rupees is equal to dash paise. 800 paise. Yes or no? Right. Nth one. Very short answer question. Convert 4 rupees to paisa. Rupees 4 to paise. 4 into 100. Rupees 4 is equal to 4 into 100. Yes or no? Rupees 4 is equal to 4 into 100. 400. 400 paise. Understood? Next, 11th one. See, convert 700 paisa. 700 paisa. What you have to do? You know already. 700 paisa means what? See, 700 paisa is equal to 7 into 100. Yes or no? That's why 7 rupees. Rupees 7. 700 means what? 7 into 100 if you do means 700 will come. Yes, that's why rupees 7 is the answer. Next, convert 1 rupee is equal to paisa. See, convert 1 rupee is equal to paisa. 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa? 100 paise. Already I told you. Yes, 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa? 100 paisa. Over. Next, 13th one. See, 13th one. Convert rupees 64 to paisa. Rupees 64 to paise. See, 64 rupees is equal to 64 into 100. 64 into 100. See here, 100 into 64. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4. Plus 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6. See, how many rupees? 6,400 rupees. 6,400 paise. 6,400 paisa. See, next in this B1. See, B1. What is that? This is A1, B1. B1, what is that? You should convert into paisa into, this is paisa. You should convert into rupees. See, 240. Yes. What you have to do? You should convert into rupees. 200 paisa. 200 paisa plus 40 paisa. Yes. 200 paisa means what? 2 rupees. 2 rupees. 40 paise. Understood, children? See, 240 means what? 200 paisa plus 40 paisa. What you have to do? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Yes, that's why 200 paisa means what? 2 rupees. Okay, 200 paisa means what? 2 rupees plus 40 paise. See, 2 rupees point 40 paise you should write. Understood, children? Next, 14th one. A. Rupees 23 to paisa. See, rupees converted into paisa. Again 23. 23 into 100, because here they are asking rupees 23 convert into paisa. Yes. Now what is that answer? 100 into 23. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, plus 3, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 0, 0, 3, 2. See, 2300 paise. P. Paisa means what? P you can write. Okay. Next. What is that? B1. 400 paise. We should convert into rupees. S to rupees. Okay. Now 400 paisa means what? 400 paise is equal to 4 into 100. Yes. That's why rupees 4 is the answer. What is that answer? Rupees 4. Understood? 400 paisa means 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. How many 400 is there? 4 hundreds is there. That's why 4 rupees. Copy. Right. Children, 15th one. Convert the following. Did you understand, children, what I am doing here? I am converting the paisa to rupees. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. That's why I am multiplying the 100 paisa. Understood? Again, you should see the question. After that, you should convert that. Okay? See, 15th one. What is that? A1. 265 paisa into rupees you should convert. 265 paisa to rupees you should convert. Okay. 260 paisa means what? How many? 260. 260 paisa is equal to 200 paise plus 65 paise. Yes or no, children? Now 200 paisa means what? 2 rupees. Rupees 2.65 paise. Understood? Answer. Next. B1. What is that B1? 675 paise into rupees. You should convert. Okay. Now 675 paisa is equal to 600 paisa plus 75 paisa. Yes or no? Now 600 paisa means rupees 6.75 paise. Yes or no, children? See, 200 plus 65. 265. Yes or, sorry, just a minute. Understood? See, we should convert this paisa to rupees. Yes, again this paisa like that only should write. 600 paisa means 6 rupees. 200 paisa means 2 rupees. Understood? Next, C1. Rupees 32 paise. Rupees 32 paise you should convert into paisa. See, rupees 32 you should convert into paisa. What you have to do? Rupees 32 is equal to 32 into 100 you should do. Okay. 32 into 100, 3200 paisa. Understood? Next, D1. 11 rupees. Rupees 11. 2 paise. Rupees 11 is equal to 11 into 100. After this, you should do 16th one. Same like this only, children. You should do. Can do now? First think how to do. After that, I will write on the board. Okay? Think it, ma. See, what is that question? 16th one. 426 paisa to rupees. Paisa you should convert into rupees. Yes.